here, this dash tray I will be installing on our dashboard of our H3 Hummer. It's made exactly for the Hummer and clips on top of the dashboard into an accessory clip that I never noticed there before. If you look on the top middle of the dashboard, there's a panel plug. All you need is a small screwdriver to unclip it from the dash. And if you look at the back of the cover or inside the slot of the dash, it's made exactly the same as the back of the tray. Simply insert the front first as you hold the back of it up, and then lower the back flat on the dash and firmly push the top until you hear the click of the tip. And that's all you need to do. Perfect color match too. If for any reason you ever want to take it off, just push slightly towards the front, lift, and just put back the cover. And if you don't want to lose the cover, I suggest you store it into the glove compartment. They thought of making the vent holes on the tray itself to make up for the ones that it covered on the dashboard. Looks really neat. It's perfect for small items like cell phone, glasses, pocket change, or other items you usually throw into your cup holder, which I hate.
So this is really nice. They'll keep these clear, and we'll have plenty of room up there.
I hope this gives someone an idea for their H3 Hummer. I will leave a link in the description for more details of the item, and you all have a great day.